friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome again to my channel Learning English with Melack. For today, we have a basic lesson in English. This name is how to answer to any question. So, almost of the students are afraid when they are answering to a question. So, this video is so helpful for you. Watch it from the beginning to the end because there are a lot of important parts. So don't forget to subscribe and like and show your friends. So now let's start. We'll start by the famous and the popular ways to ask. Then how to answer. Because the most important thing to answer properly and correctly is to listen to the question carefully. So, if the question starts by these expressions, so the answer is yes or no. For example, are you a dentist? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he a firefighter? Yes, he is. No, he is not. Or no, he isn't in the short form. Can you help me? Yes, I can. No, I cannot. Or no, I can't. Do you have a car? Yes, I have. No, I have not. Or no, I haven't. Did you study? Yes, I did. No, I did not. Or no, I didn't. Do you go watching a film? Yes, I do. No, I do not. Or no, I don't. Will you play? Yes, I will. No, I will not. Could you, for example, go with me to the park? Yes, I could, or no, I could not. Is there somewhere on the table? Yes, there is. No, there is not, or no, there isn't. Are there a lot of books under the table? Yes, there are. No, there are not, or no, there aren't. Were you at home at 6 p.m.? Yes, I was. No, I was not, or no, I wasn't. Clear? If the question starts by these expressions, so the answer is, what is it? Good job. Is yes or no. But there are different ways to ask. So the first part of this video, it's clear. Let's move. So if someone asks you by what, so he wants the information about the topic that he was asking by. For example, what are you doing? He asked that what are you doing now? The answer is, I am studying. So studying is the information that's what are you doing. If someone asks you by where, so he wants the place. For example, where do you live? Where are you born? Where do you study? So where? So you give the place. Where do you live? I live in America. So America, it's a place. If someone asks you by when, so he wants the time. For example, when do you go to school? I go at 8 o'clock or 8 a.m. So 8 o'clock is the time. And if someone asks you by why, so he wants the reason. The reason why you do that. For example, why do you study hard? I study hard, or short for because I want to have good grades. So I want to have good grades is the reason that why I study hard. Okay? And if someone asks you by what time, so he wants the time exactly with minutes. For example, what time is it? So you can answer by it's 1:15, 1:45, or 1:30, like that. So this time exactly. If someone asks you by how, so he wants the manner how you do that. For example, how do you play football? How? play it well. So this part you can watch it in a video of adverbs of manner. How I can play that, how I can. So I'm already make a video of adverbs of manner. You can watch it, okay? So let's complete. How? So with the manner. And if someone asks you by how far, so your answer must contain the distance. For example, how far you can throw the ball. How far can you throw the ball? Or how far you can throw the ball. I can throw a ball about 10 meters. So 10 meters is distance. Distance. And if someone asks you by how long, so he want the period or the length. For example, how long can you hold your breath? I can hold my breath for about 30 seconds. 30 seconds is the period of time. And if someone asks you by who and who is the most popular, it's the person. So he wants in your answer, or your answer must contain a name of a person. For example, who's knocking on the door? Who's knocking on the door? A friend. So a friend, it's a person. Okay? And if someone asks you by which, so he wants your choice about a lot of things. For example, which book are you reading? Which book are you reading? So there are a lot of books, but you are choosing a book. So which book are you reading now? I'm reading The Adventure Begins. So I choose The Adventure Begins book. So The Adventure Begins is the choice. Thank you for watching. I hope to understand this video really well. Practice it with your friends, family, anyone. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and share with your friends. Goodbye. See you next time in next video.